Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Breezy movie app on your iPhone. So first of all, make sure to, as you can see, this is the iPhone, so open your app store on your iPhone, and once you open your app store, so just click on the profile icon on the above right corner. And once you click on the profile icon, you will be seeing this interface. So just click on your profile, as you can see the first one. So just click here, and once you click here, it will take a few seconds to load, so wait for it. And from here, just make sure to enter your password, and you will be seeing this interface. So once you are here, so just click on your country or region, and once you click here country and region, so as you can see, this my region was United States. So what you can do is just try these two regions. The first is Pakistan. You can search this Pakistan, or the second one is United Kingdom. So you can just search United Kingdom and change your region to United Kingdom and click on continue, and just add the details, click on agree. And once you click on agree, it will ask you to add all these details, so you can just click on none, add your street, and from here just click add your phone number. And once you add your phone number, just add these details and click on done. And once you're done, just simply close the app store and again open the app store and just search here Breezy movie, like Breezy movie app or just Breezy movie. And once you search here, you will be able to find this application easily. So just make sure to try those regions and just scroll down a bit, and you will find the application. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can install Breezy movie app on iPhone.